My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and today I am going to answer the question, how do I purchase bonds in the United Kingdom? Someone wants to purchase bonds in the United Kingdom. How do I do that? Well, good question. And the answer is one way is to go through a broker. Then you can get an online account and purchase bonds through the broker. I would not recommend this for several reasons. The first is the types of bonds you are offered, like government bonds, are far too low in terms of return to make investing in them worthwhile. They also will have some other options for you, like corporate bonds, but the issue with publicly traded bonds is that while they do pay more than government bonds, they're still not very good in terms of real rate of return. There also is one other problem that you have as a UK citizen of the pound likely losing value against the dollar, even if you do manage to get a real rate of return on them. One company you may want to look at and request more information from is Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings, this is a privately held UK company that offers a corporate income bond to institutional and accredited high net worth investors. The company purchases mortgage notes in the United States in Texas and receives dollar payments from borrowers. But in the United Kingdom, they offer a bond that's denominated in pounds. The pound, as it has for decades, will continue. The pound, as it has for decades, will continue to weaken against the dollar. The dollar is going to appreciate against the pound. The trend has been in motion for decades. For example, go to 1945, 1 pound bought $4. Go to 1967, 1 pound bought $2.12, 1 pound bought $1.59 US. Go to 2022, 1 pound buys $1.23 US. The dollar will continue this trend of getting stronger against for the next few years. Another problem that the United Kingdom faces is their currency is going to continue weakening. Reason, if you are looking at the interest rate question with an eye to see where there might be a good place to invest, it would be corporate income bonds. The Bank of England is now predicting that inflation will hit 11% by the autumn, and the market is pricing in further rate hikes in 2022. The market is predicting that the Bank of England base rate will be above 2.5% by the end of 2023 and possibly as high as 3.3%. This makes it clear as a bell that you need to get some sort of investment that offers more of a hedge against inflation and rising interest rates. Alamo Mortgage Holdings corporate income bond basis points higher rates than standard UK government bonds. It also allows an investor to get out of the pound and into against the dollar with your investment.